I found the best combination of indicators. Using it, I earned more than 100,000 in a month, and my students broke the $20,000 bar in 20 days. Today, I will show you and tell you how to correctly use this strategy when trading binary options. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And we move on to our strategy. And in this strategy, we use two indicators. This is the first indicator, the alligator. The second indicator, CCI. Here are their parameters. Let me show you quickly if anyone is interested. Pause, copy the parameters. I'll have all the standards one. And the second CC indicator, we're trading on currency pairs. You can see it at the top of the screen. The initial balance is $100 respectively. The account we have is a real amount of $100. A minute is the time of our transaction, and let's immediately start the trading. And in practice, I'll immediately begin to tell you how use and test the strategy and so on. We move immediately to the first currency pair where we will start our trading session. Here, dear traders, we are on the first currency pair. We open a downward trade here, bring it a little closer and begin a general analysis of our chart. Here we see that along the pocket option line that quite nice helps us, we can immediately draw the fact that we have reached a certain area of resistance, both here, and with a greater likelihood, we will have a reversal on our chart. We have a 2-minute time frame at the moment, but this is not practically important to us. Now I'll still switch to minutes, but on 2 minutes you can also show. Now we will have a decline, although the candle is in a state of growth. We can also see this ideally from the first indicator called alligator, and with this indicator we successfully see that 3 moving averages are directed to the lower position, and the blue one is predominant in the general downtrend. According to the second CCI indicator, we have a similar situation. We also are in decline in the zone from 100 to minus 100. Let's follow the chart. Is that what we see? Yes, the deal is closed. I'm sorry it took too long to explain. We see the balance is $192 and we see that the candle really sank. Here we were at this point. The opening of the candle really sank, so there is no deception here. Let me immediately switch to the minor time frame so that it's more convenient for you, because I already understand. And we will increase the transaction amount to $150 and move to the second currency pair. Now we have switched to the second currency pair. Let's open a down deal so that you can see it better and proceed to the general analysis. We immediately highlight who has already been and traded. They know about the support area, and many will say we have touched the support area, which means there should be a reversal. I will say yes, it is possible, but very unlikely, because first we look at our alligator indicator. We have a stable downward trend across 3 moving averages. Second, we have gone beyond the CCI border, beyond the lower minimum of $100, and are also moving steadily. If we look at the charts, we have not touched and the candle is quite small. Then there is growth and it will still happen in a negative direction, which is what our indicators show us. Let's keep an eye on this chart. Is it so or not? If you are having trouble following trading indicators or are frustrated with your current trading results, then you're most likely losing money. This is where my free trading team comes in. Every day I share my trading signals with subscribers, giving you the opportunity to repeat them manually and automatically by connecting to my trading account. And it's very convenient for everyone. I'm ready to support you every step of the way, whether you just starting out or want to improve your skills. I will answer all your questions and provide clear instructions on how to earn $50 to $1,000 daily. Don't miss the opportunity. Join my Telegram group right now. Seating is limited, so act quickly to secure your spot. In my Telegram group, you will also find the real-time results from my new buy trading, showing their success and last issue. I will honestly don't sell anything, don't make contact or ask money for my subscribers. It's absolutely free. Join my Telegram group today and let's stay this journey together. We see, as I basically said, the chart has sank even more. Everything is quite predictable. We see it helps quite a lot with our trading. We already have a balance. We have $330 and we are switching to the third currency pair where we will continue the trading session. Here we are, we have switched to the three currency pairs, to the third. Let's open a deal here for an increase and proceed to the general analysis. Why we opened a deal for an increase? Let's figure it out. Well, first, this is the area of support. We have a growth, one drawdown touch, two drawdown touch, three, so this is already the fourth repulsion, so this support area is still intensifying with each touch. Who didn't know? Well, accordingly, we also have an area of resistance from the previous peak, but since there is only one touch, this is given area is quite weak. Most likely we will have a breakout and further growth. Then we look at our first indicator called alligator, and according to this indicator we see that three moving average are directed in the upper position. According to CCI, we have a similar situation. We are in our usual zone of minus 100 and are also directed to the upper position where we opened our trade to increase. Let's look at our chart. Perfectly, this trade also closes in plus, and let's move with you to the fourth currency pair to consolidate our successful strategy. Here we are on the fourth currency pair. Let's open a bullish trade here and proceed to the general analysis. Let's figure out why exactly we opened a bullish move. Well, firstly, we have a certain area of support for the previous reversal for a general situation of an uptrend, and we can notice here that we have one touch, two touches, and after that there was a reversal that we opened for, so our support zone is strengthening. Then we look at our first indicator called the alligator. For this indicator we also see that all three moving averages are directed to the upper position. Further, we look at our second indicator called CCI, and according to the second indicator, we are, as always, in the usual zone from minus 100 to 100, and also a little but still directed in the upper position, which is why we opened a trade on increase. Let's look at this trade, guys. Perfectly, this deal also closed in plus. Here, dear traders, we have traded on four currency pairs. We see this strategy works completely. Let me remind you that this strategy was previously published in my Telegram channel. Therefore, if you want to receive the first news about my team, how to join it, how I post strategy signals, go to the Telegram channel. Our balance increased exactly 6 times. Also, please don't forget, in addition to the Telegram channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, write a comment, test this strategy, write comments if it works or not. If you have any questions, nuances, also ask in the comments. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you all for watching. Happy trading to everyone. Bye bye.